How to buy the SENTAI token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before you buy this token, go and check the X account and keep following their update about this token. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's by going to CoinGecko. It's available there. As you can see, this token is under the Ethereum network. Just go and copy the token address, as you can see. After that, go and open your Bitget wallet like that. Just log in to your wallet. Now after that, from here, just select the Ethereum network and click on plus button. Now from here, just paste the token address, as you can see, and this is our token. Just click on plus. Now after that, just go back and find your token. As you can see, this SENTAI. Just click on it. Now click on swap and click on switch from here to be able to buy the token. Just click here and now select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet to be able to buy the SENTAI token. So after you enter how much you want to buy, as you can see, this is how much you will receive of that token. Just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. This is how to buy this SENTAI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.